Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you tutorial, and for that I wanna ask you guys, how are you? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. First we go to the Tinder application. If you have been to install it before, tap on for the Tinder. Okay, after that you can see there is three options for you. The first one is login with Google, the second one is login with Facebook, and then the third one login with phone number. So now I wanted to login with my phone number. Tap on the login with phone number. The same way if you want to login in with Google or with Facebook. Okay, tap on the login with phone number. Okay, type about your phone number now. Okay, after that you can go to the continue button. Tap on the continue, and let's see, the Tinder will send you about the verification code. Okay, let's go to the messaging now. Okay, let's see, the Tinder will send you about the authentication is. Okay, this is a Tinder message, and please to rewrite or retype about this code. Go to the Tinder back and type about the verification code. Okay, after that you can go to the continue. Enter your email, especially your email active. Type here and let's check for the continue. Okay, please be yourself there. Be yourself, make sure your photos, age, bio are true to who you are. And the second one about the stay safe, don't be too quick to give out personal information. And the third one, play it cool, respect others and treat them as you would like to be treated. And the last, be proactive, always report bad behavior. Okay, and after you done to write it, you can just click the I agree. If you agree with all of those, click on the I agree, and you can create about your first name here. And after that, please click the continue. Okay, when's about your birthday? The first one is about the month, and the second one for the day, and the last one about your year. And for the next you can click the continue. Okay, let me see, there is two options. You can choose the one of them if you want to show your gender, the woman and man, just it. Okay, please tap one of those and click continue. Type on your school name, and please click continue. You also can to skip in the upper of the right corner if you want, but I want to show my school now, and please click continue. Okay, for the passion you can tap the one of those that you want to your passion. If your passion is what? Camping, fishing. After that you can click continue. At the photos you can tap one off. Okay, to upload photo from your device, Tinder needs to access your photos. Please tap allow in the next step. Okay, click OK, and please click allow. Okay, there is two options for you. The first one is camera, the second one is a gallery. Now I want to choose for the search here for my camera, and after that please type about while using the app. Okay, take the photos one, and please to tap on about the check symbol in the below of the right corner. Okay, you can adjust it for the position maybe, and after you're done you can click done in the upper of the right corner. Okay, let's see about the next photos. Tap on for the next here and choose from your gallery. I want to choose from my gallery actually, so I don't use my camera again. Please tap on the gallery and choose one of them. After that, you can click next in the upper of the right corner, and then you can tap the continue. Here you can see the continue button has a color. It means you can tap on the continue. Tap on. Okay, how to enable the location? You can tap the allow locations. Is make to you sure that your location is around the other Tinder user. Click step on the while using the app, and you can go to continue, but you can also to click the full in the upper or the left corner. Now you are in the Tinder application and successfully has the Tinder account. It's very simple way to do it. This is a tutorial how to log in Tinder for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.